Every year in Jefferson County, there are hundreds of cases involving people who repeatedly drink and drive. So we spoke with people within our court system to understand what more needs to be done to hold impaired drivers accountable.
And I just remember a loud booming sound.
It was New Year's Day when 29-year-old Carmen Talbot says she almost lost her life, all because someone got behind the wheel when they shouldn't have.
The person that hit me, they were drunk driving.
We brought Talbot's experience to Jefferson County Judge Stephanie Burke.
We have so many people in this community who are suffering from substance use disorder,
which has only worsened during the pandemic. So we wanted to know how many people charged with drunk driving reoffend. Court records show since 2017, of the 7,220 drunk driving cases in Jefferson County, 20% represent repeat offenses. Burke says the best solution is prevention.
It's a little black bracelet.
This is an alcohol monitoring bracelet she wants on the highest risk offenders, those who repeatedly drive while drunk.
Meaning it was a second, third, or fourth offense.
But she says the bracelets aren't being consistently used within our court system. Cost is one barrier. Ann Dyke with the Jefferson County Attorney's Office believes there are additional ways to prevent driving under the influence. She says Kentucky needs to allow police to collect evidence proving impaired driving. House Bill 154 would do just that,
which would allow us prosecutors to get search warrants on DUI first, instead of having to only be able to use them in cases where there's death or serious physical injury. That will be a huge game changer.
Many critics of the proposed bill point to privacy concerns, but advocates argue it's an issue of public safety. Right now, Kentucky is one of 16 states where police can't obtain a search warrant to draw blood from a driver who may be drunk or drugged, according to the nonprofit Mothers Against Drunk Driving. A breath test cannot show drugs in a person's system.
Then it's very, very difficult to get a conviction.
Dyke says without proof, it's harder to hold people accountable. She says it often means drivers who are under the influence of alcohol or drugs do it again. This survivor's plea is simple.
No, don't keep risking killing someone over a drink.
Those within our court system say since the start of the pandemic, cases involving drunk driving have remained pretty steady, but drug driving is rising at a much faster rate, and that's why they say prevention is more important than ever. In the studio, Paula Vassan, WHAS 11 on your side.